Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Diabetics should look for sugar-free cough medicines specifically formulated for them. Brands like Robitussin sugar-free and Diabetic Tussin are designed to relieve cough without elevating blood sugar levels. It's important to read labels carefully to avoid products with high fructose corn syrup or other sugars. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new medication to ensure it's safe and effective for your individual health needs.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.